Good afternoon and welcome to another road trip video, and in this video I'll be going to Liverpool. So just like in the previous video, it's a part I bought on eBay. I bought front bumper for the BMW Project Bimmer, which you can see over there. I managed to get a front bumper for 30 quid, including the bumper support, and it's in Liverpool, so to me it's worth going down to collect it, so that's what I'll be doing. But first I've got a bit of a detour before I go to Liverpool. So the detour involved going to Huddersfield and picking up a kettle and a toaster, which I presume is for the caravan, because I did ditch the old ones that we had there. So these are going to be replacements. So once I've got them, we can move on to the main focus of this video, which is going to Liverpool to pick up that bumper. So this is the reason for the detour. There we go. Couple of kettle and a toaster still in its original boxes. I'm sure together these cost more than 20 quid at Wilko. I wouldn't know without checking the website. So with that done, it's time to set off for Liverpool. I've made it to Liverpool. Yeah, I'm on some nondescript street in Liverpool. So find the place where this bumper is, and next time you see me, you'll see the bumper. It's now 4 days later. When I got there, I was waiting for 2 hours. I tried to get hold of the seller, couldn't get hold of him. I had to come away empty-handed, and I thought, oh, that's it. Anyway, the seller got back to me. He gave me his phone number. I've just spoken to him. I'm going to arrange to meet at the place, and then we'll take it from there. So I'll see you, and hopefully I might try taking some Liverpool landmarks if I've got time. Well, I'm back here, same location as before, and if you recognise it, I'm back in Liverpool. So time to meet this guy. So here it is. Here's my replacement bumper. Yes, it's it's in better condition, which is good, and yeah, colour coded, but I can fix that up. I'm prepared to do a bit of paint, so look nice once it's been cleaned up, primed and painted. So now I can start making my way home, but I've got a little something to do before I go home. Well, I thought I'll come to Anfield Road Stadium while we're in the area. Famous gates. And I couldn't get right up to, had to park a bit further down the road, but I thought I'd do a quick shot of it. So time to move on. Coming to Everton Football Club. Don't think there's anywhere I can stop, so just have to make do.
Now turn slightly left and then turn right.
And I'll turn off my sat nav. Do with the drive-by footage. Well, you've seen it on telly, and here it is for real. I'm going to prove I'm not lying. Looks eyes close. So there you go. You saw it on the telly on Channel 4 many moons ago, and this is the street in reality. So time to move on to one more landmark, hopefully, before I go home. So this is the final landmark I'm visiting. That might give you a clue, as this does. It's the former orphanage that inspired the Beatles song. And quite a few pieces of graffiti referencing the Beatles. Billy Shears, We saw that Paula Walrus. That was off the green glass onion. Yeah. And there we go. So these are replica gates, they're not the original. So that is going to be it. Yes, plenty of Beatles graffiti. So right, that's it for this little road trip to Liverpool, and I'll come back to you when I get back home. As you can see, I've made it back home. So I'm going to get this out into the shed. I'll have to strip it down, and you'll see that in the next Project Bimmer video. So that's the end for this road trip video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.